Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today's tutorial is all about how to change the language in your Gmail account. So when you open up your Gmail account, all you need to do is click on the Settings tab and then click on See All Settings. On the first page, the first part is language, and you can see Gmail display language. So mine's on English. If you want to change it to another language, you've got lots to choose from here. So for example, if I change it to Spanish, always remember that you have to scroll to the bottom to save your changes. Otherwise, nothing will change. So you can see it's all changed to Spanish here. If I want to change it back, I just have to go back to the settings and click back to the other language that I want and click on Save Changes at the bottom. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.